the Yuletide season. This is Christmas. This Christmas is a time of the birth of Jesus Christ. The man we love, the man we revere very much. Father Branca has done a wonderful job introducing him here. That's why the spirit is so high. So I just want to say hi to my good friend Moonlight, who's sitting right there watching us. And all the folks around the world who's having fun right now on the Caribbean Express, especially with Darryl. Cornel, let the people have it. Aha! We get a little crazy once in a while. We'll lift the music. Long time ago, so we won't ever say. There is boy child Jesus Christ, he was born on Christmas Day. Now, now, hear the angels sing, listen to what they say. That man will live forever because of Christmas Day. Special for all of you. Goes like this. Christmas Day. Sing with me, y'all. Christmas Day.